Hey guys, alright, so I just wanted to come on here and give like a little prophetic word. Yesterday I was in my apartment and I was meditating, and then all of a sudden I heard like lawnmowers, and all I kept hearing was maintenance is required. So with that, I basically got that you can put in all of this work to look or present yourself a certain type of way, but you still need to make sure that you are handling the upkeep to make sure it looks that way. Like when it comes to cutting the grass, you don't just cut it once and that's it, right? It keeps growing. You have to keep maintaining the grass and the shrubberies to make it look a certain type of way. Because if you just cut it once and then leave it be, it's going to grow out all unruly, but it's going to grow out like naturally. You just need to continue to maintain yourself and like fine-tune different things within your day to make sure that you're still on the right track and like you're still walking in your purpose. Yeah, just like keep working on yourself. The work never stops. You just have to live to fight another day. Just like keep going, try to understand how can you be better than you were yesterday. If you can, like, you can just sit up and not really feel motivated to do anything, but just do one thing that'll make you better than how you were yesterday. All right. I love and appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you would, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all in another video.